Welcome back, dear students. In this session, I am going to deal about the equation of state. In this session, I am going to explain the equation of state of a gas in adiabatic process and the relation between pressure, volume, and the temperature. Let us see one by one in detail. Yes, students, let 1 gram of working substance, that means ideal gas, that is taken inside the cylinder, which is perfectly insulated from the surroundings. Let the external work done by the gas is dW. When we push the piston inside or outside, then the work done by the gas should be dW. By applying first law of thermodynamics, that is internal energy dQ equals, the quantity of heat supplied to the gas is dQ equals the internal energy plus the amount of work done. Here in this case, dQ equals 0 and dW equals P into dV. Work done is equal to P into dV, where P is pressure and dV is change in volume. Therefore, du plus P dV upon J equals 0. Here this equation dQ equals du plus dW becomes, when dQ equals 0, this becomes du plus dW. dW means P into dV divided by J, where J is added here. In this case, it is inserted in the denominator side, where J is the mechanical equivalent of heat, whose value is taken as nearly equal to 1. Let it be equation 1. As external work is done by the gas at the cost of its internal energy, there is fall in temperature by dT. Then du equals internal energy du equals Cv into dT, where Cv is the specific heat of gas at constant volume. Therefore, the above equation becomes, substitute du equals Cv dt for du in equation 1, that is Cv dt plus P dV upon J equals 0. Let it be equation 2. For ideal gas of 1 gram, we have PV equals RT, where R is the ordinary gas constant. Let this equation 3. Differentiate the equation 3, we get here P, the differentiation of P is dV, P into dV plus V constant, differentiate P, that is dP equals R into the differentiation of T is dt. This is differential form of PV equals RT. Therefore, rearranging the above equation, that means dt equals P dV plus V into dP upon R. Substitute dt in equation 2, we get here equation 2 here. You can substitute the value of dt in this equation here. We get Cv into P dV plus V dP divided by R plus P dV divided by J is equal to 0. Here Cv into P dV plus V dP plus R into P into dV divided by J. This is equal to 0. How it comes means, you can divide this equation by R. So multiply this equation by R, then we get this equation. But R upon J in the above equation is nothing but Mayer's equation, Cp minus Cv. Therefore, the above equation becomes Cv into PdV plus Cv into VdP plus Cv into P into dV minus Cv into P into dV equals 0. Here for R upon J, you can substitute Cp minus Cv, then the equation becomes like this. Here Cp into PdV plus Cv into VdP is equal to 0. Because Cv into VdP minus Cv into PdP. Here Cv into PdV minus Cv into PdV, a plus term and minus term, you cancel here. Then this equation becomes Cp into PdV plus Cv into VdP. This is equal to 0. Dividing by Cv into Pv, we get, divide this equation by Cv into Pv, we get Cp upon Cv into dV upon V plus dP upon P is equal to 0. But Cp upon Cv, this is equal to gamma. This is specific heat ratio, gamma equals Cp by Cv. Then the above equation becomes dP upon P plus gamma into dV by V is equal to 0. This equation becomes dP by P plus gamma into dV by V is equal to 0. On integrating this one, we get integration of dP by P means log P, gamma is constant, plus gamma. Integration of 1 by V with respect to dV means log V is equal to constant. Here it is in the form of log of A plus B form. Therefore, log of P into V raised to gamma is equal to constant. Here gamma into log V means that is V to the power of gamma. This equation becomes log PV raised to gamma equals constant. Therefore, finally it becomes P V to the power of gamma is equal to constant. That is the equation 4. This is the equation connecting pressure and volume during an adiabatic process and is known as Poisson's law also. Let us see one more equation, that means equation of state for adiabatic. We know that PV equals RT. Therefore, rearranging this equation for pressure, P is equal to RT by V. We know that already derived, P into V to the power gamma equals constant. Therefore, P equals constant divided by V to the power gamma. On equating these two, we get RT by V equals constant divided by V to the power of gamma. On rearranging this one, RT divided by V into V to the power of gamma equals constant, but R is equal to constant. R is the constant, universal gas constant. Therefore, this equation becomes RT into V to the power of gamma minus 1 equals constant. Here in the numerator, V to the power of gamma is there. In the denominator, V to the power 1 is there. When V comes to the numerator, this becomes minus 1, V to the power of minus 1. Then this equation becomes R into T into V to the power gamma minus 1. This is equal to constant. Therefore, T V to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. This is one more equation. Let us see another equation relating to adiabatic. We know that V equals RT by P and P into V to the power gamma equals constant. Substitute for V, volume V, we get P into RT divided by P whole to the power gamma equals constant. Therefore, R to the power gamma into T to the power gamma divided by P to the power gamma minus 1 equals constant. On rearranging this equation, when P in the numerator, when it comes to a denominator, P to the power minus 1, and this one is P to the power of gamma. P to the power of gamma into P to the power of minus 1 becomes P to the power of gamma minus 1. And rearranging this equation, we get this. Or it is also written in the form of T to the power of gamma divided by P to the power of gamma minus 1. This is equal to constant divided by R. On further simplification of this one, we get P to the power gamma minus 1 divided by T to the power of gamma. This is equal to constant. Let it be equation 6. Here, from equations 4, 5 and 6, during adiabatic process, that is, we get three types of equation of states. One is P into V to the power gamma equals constant. Second one, T into V to the power gamma minus 1 equals constant. And third one, P to the power gamma minus 1 divided by T to the power gamma equals constant. Yes, friends, we shall discuss it about the work done during an isothermal process. When gas is allowed to expand isothermally, work is done by it. That means if you take an ideal gas inside the cylinder, which is fitted with frictionless piston, the side walls of the cylinder should be perfectly conducting for isothermal process. In this case, when gas is allowed to expand isothermally, work is done by it. That means work is done by the gas. When the volume changes from V1 to V2, the work done is given by the formula work done equals, we know that P into dV. That means the product of pressure and change in volume. Here, when it is integrated between the boundary limits V1 to V2, volumes V1 and V2, that is area of ABCD in this graph, PV diagram. Here, the area under this one graph, isothermal graph, ABCD, that represents the work done by the gas. For 1 gram molecule of gas, PV equals RT. For 1 gram molecule of gas, I have taken ideal gas equation, PV equals RT. Therefore, for pressure, P is equal to RT divided by V. We can substitute the value of this one, that means P, in the above equation. We get work done W equals integrate between the limits V1 to V2 for P, that is RT by V into dV equals RT is constant, take it outside. Here multiply with 2.303 to the log to the base 10. The integration of 1 by V with respect to dV is V2 by V1. Let it be equation 1. Also, we know that P1 V1 equals P2 V2. On rearranging this one, V2 by V1 equals P1 by P2. Therefore, we can substitute V2 by V1 value in the equation 1. We get work done W equals RT into 2.303 into log to the base 10 into P1 by P2. Let it be equation 2. Hence, the change in the internal energy of the system is 0. Here, change in the internal energy of the system is 0 because the temperature remains constant inside the cylinder. So, the heat absorbed by the system is equal to the work done by it. I repeat, the heat absorbed by the system is equal to the work done by it. This is about work done during an isothermal process. Let me move towards work done during an adiabatic process. Work done when the gas expands from volume V1 to volume V2 is given by the formula work done is equal to P into dV, which is integrated between the limits volume V1 to V2. Here the area under this adiabatic graph, adiabatic curve, adiabatic process, that means PV diagram, A, B, C, D, that represents the work done by the system. Here for adiabatic process, if you take 1 gram of molecule of a gas inside the cylinder, which is fitted with frictionless piston, the side walls of the cylinder should be perfectly conducting because neither heat enter nor leaves the system here, in this case adiabatic process. Totally adiabatic process is sudden process. Hence in this case, that means when we push the piston inside and outside, then the work done by the gas, that means during expansion, is given by the formula like this. Here, P into dV equals area ABCD. During adiabatic process, you know that the formula, the relating with pressure and volume, is P into V to the power gamma equals constant. Let it be K, or P equals K upon V to the power of gamma. I am rearranging this one. P equals K upon V to the power of gamma. Substitute the P value in the above equation. We get work done W equals K upon V to the power gamma with respect to dV. That means integrate between the limits V1 to V2. This is equal to K is constant here. Take it outside. You can integrate this one with respect to dV. V with respect to dV. We get W equals work done equals K upon 1 minus gamma into 1 divided by V2 to the power gamma minus 1 minus 1 divided by V1 to the power gamma minus 1. Since A and B lies on the same adiabatics, here the points A and B lie on the same adiabatic. Here this formula is, when integrate this one, you can substitute the limits for volume V1 and V2 and rearranging this one, that means 1 by V to the power of gamma, we get this formula here. And further, we know that the adiabatic equation connecting with the different volume and pressure, that is P1 into V1 to the power gamma equals P2 V to the power gamma equals K constant. On substituting this one in the above equation, we get the formula like this. That means W equals 1 upon 1 minus gamma into P2 V to the power gamma divided by V2 into V to the power gamma minus 1 minus P1 V1 to the power gamma divided by V1 to the power gamma minus 1. On further simplification, we get the work done W equals 1 upon 1 minus gamma into P2 V2 minus P1 V1. It will be equation 1. Similarly, for P1 V1 equals RT1 and P2 V2 equals RT2, then the equation 1 becomes W equals 1 upon 1 minus gamma into RT2 minus RT1. And further simplification, take R outside, that means common, that is r to the r divided by 1 minus gamma into T2 minus T1 equals r divided by gamma minus 1 into T1 minus T2. Thank you.